Kid, hey mom, when is this coronavirus thing gonna be over? Mom, just shut up and eat your toilet paper. Seriously? Toilet paper? 2020 calendar. Yes, of course, bushfire, then coronavirus. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Oh my god, December. This is going to be the most badass year ever. I don't know why, but all those who opened a medical YouTube channel got more subscribers than everyone else. Come on, memers, show me your power. Come on, hit that subscribe button. Subscribe me. Mom, essential oils, coronavirus. Seriously, guys, I don't know why. These essential oil companies are really smart, you know. They are just introducing essential oils in everything. You have cancer? Just eat essential oils. World War III never happened and Australia has finally stopped burning. Oh wow, that's some great news. Coronavirus. Government, you must avoid contact, guys. European and Americans. Every continent has a case of coronavirus except Antarctica. Me, do you want to build a snowman? Coronavirus, me, hand wash. Seriously. Literally everybody is promoting hand washing and I'm like, yes, coronavirus is that weak. Every sanitizer company ad says we are gonna kill 99.99% germs. Coronavirus comes under 0.01%. Everyone, oh, small, cute. Really guys, that looks adorable. China, oh, I am hungry. Coronavirus spreading. Area 51 employee playing Plague INC on the wrong computer. 10 movies to watch while under quarantine. Outbreak, Contagion, the flu infection virus 28 days later, Doomsday, World War Z, I Am Legend, Shaun the Dead. Guys, as coronavirus is spreading, we gamers need to protect our society. Yes, we have done this earlier in the games, now we have to do it practically. Come on guys, we can do this, just like the simulations. Why can't you just be normal? 2020 screams, no. 2020 be like, no, how I can be normal? I just need to break you guys. Graduations in 2019. Graduations in 2020. Literally every country is shutting down colleges and schools, and there is my country. Why the hell colleges and schools are still open in my country? Why government? I need answers. Guys, help me. WTF is happening. Plague INC. Schools cancelled because of corona. Yeah, that's some great news. You are gonna have to have online school. Shit. You are too poor to afford a computer. Mask $999. Seriously, Apple. Guys, that is not normal mask. That is eye mask. You know what's gonna happen when you wear that? It will kill coronavirus. It is eye mask. It is special. It is the world's best mask because Apple has made it. The plan. Create a virus that infects the population in order to increase hand sanitizer sales. Do I really look like a guy with a plan? Coronavirus is now in America. Americans sneezing into elbows, touching elbows. Someone eating a bat in China leads to Jim Carrey winning Best Supporting Actor for Sonic, as all the other 2020 movies got cancelled because of coronavirus. The media, actors, sportsmen, medical shops, everybody is going to use this coronavirus in order to earn profits. Americans, a corona test costs thousands of dollars. The rest of the world, wait, you guys have to pay for tests? Why, American government, you don't want your people to be saved? Me at the store after genuinely running out of a normal amount of toilet paper. Wow. New Year Day looking forward to 2020. 3 months later. First World War III attacked, then Australia bushfire, and then came the coronavirus. After seeing how the public panics over coronavirus, I can see why the government would never tell us about aliens. The day government announces about the aliens, wow, we will just thrash the internet. You wore a mask, wanted to quarantine, cancelled sporting events. Root of the problem was a bat. You were right, Ben. We apologize. Sorry, Ben. Pornhub gives Italy free premium. Me with a VPN. You know, I am something of an Italian myself. How it feels waking up in every morning in 2020. Damage report! 144 pixel, 360 pixel, 720 pixel, 4K. Pornhub is giving Italians free premium access during coronavirus quarantine. My VPN, Bravo 6, going Italian. Hello, I am calling you today, sir, because your computer has coronavirus. Just send me Steam gift card codes and I will fix it for you. This guy is genius. The handshake, the greeting that spreads the most germ. Yes, guys, we should avoid handshakes. The high fives transfers half the bacteria of handshakes. Seriously, guys, we should avoid high fives too. The fist bump transfers 90% fewer germs than the handshake. Okay, fine. 100% safe, yes. Guys, just polish your middle finger and you guys know what you have to do. When boomers kill the earth, but coronavirus kill boomers. Well, how the turntables. Expectations, yes, we would die. Reality, toilet papers getting sold. Purchase 72 packs of toilet paper. Go on $46 vacation tour. You guys are in confusion. Let me clear this. Buy toilet papers. When you think you have the coronavirus, but the doctor says it's just cancer. Health. Being in a prepper family during coronavirus pandemic. Getting trapped at home with my emotionally unstable prepper family. People celebrating the new year, World War III, Australian bushfire, coronavirus. WHO, wash your hands for 20 seconds. The automatic sin in the public bathroom. Best I can do is 1.5. When it's your special day but everyone is more afraid of a virus than you. Sad Jason noises. Guys, please go down in the comment section and tell me, should I open a toilet paper shop? Come on, please suggest me. I am really in confusion whether should I open a toilet paper shop or not. I know that if I opened up a toilet paper shop, then boom, stonks. I'm gonna earn millions and millions now. When people are making memes instead of being scared, sad coronavirus. Toilet paper, $7,999 only. Special promo, free gaming laptop. Yes, toilet paper is more important than gaming laptop now. Now there are no more office fights because of coronavirus. Thank you, coronavirus. Guys, the whole world criticized me for being a memer and a gamer. But now see, the whole world left offices and now are resting at home. They are following my trend. Come on, memers and gamers, show me your real power. Hit that subscribe button and help me out. Corona killing people on Earth. Astronauts in space. Come on, Elon Musk. What are you doing? Help me and send me out in space. Norton antivirus. Of course. Norton antivirus will kill coronavirus in seconds. I don't know what doctors are doing around the world. They should just, provide Norton security. When you can't believe that even the end of the world is made in China. But wait a second, if it is made in China, then obviously its durability is low. How the media portrays coronavirus. How the coronavirus actually is. How the memers portrays the coronavirus. Guys, trust me, this is the most baddest generation ever. We don't take anything seriously. Face mask companies in January, hand sanitizers company in February, toilet paper companies in March, coffin companies in April. This meme forgot the medical YouTube channel. So medical YouTube channel in May. Stonks! Wait a second, who the hell will make coffin for those who are already working at coffin companies? World right now. Memers! Oh come on, we are making people smile during this pandemic. What else you want? 2020 starts, Iran and USA, Australia, Venice, China. Coronavirus exists. Literally every country with corona. Oh god. Guys, I have already mentioned these things, but I am asking again, should I open a toilet paper shop? Please suggest me. People infected with coronavirus, 0.00002%. People without coronavirus, 99.99%. The map of countries that have coronavirus, Plague Inc. In the year 2020, humanity was threatened with extinction. Panic spread across the planet like never before. What were you doing, Grandpa? Just sending memes to friends and stuff. Seriously, guys, it feels like the whole world went inside a video game. The coronavirus is doing more for this country than any president, lowering airline prices, gas prices, free sick days from work and school. Less traffic because of that. Coronavirus for President 2020. Don't forget to vote. Coronavirus, we were bad, but we are now good. Don't worry, the coronavirus will go away soon. The coronavirus. Everyone cannot find any toilet paper or food in shop anymore because it's all sold out. The dude in math problems, they were laughing at me back then, but now I am one laughing on them. Guys, let us admit this. We all laughed upon that guy who bought 79 watermelons in math problems. But now, see, that guy is the most lucky person ever. He bought all the toilet papers. It's the dynamo effect. A guy eating a bat. Stock market collapsing. Person in 2020 coughs. Everyone. Current objective. Survive. When you hear about coronavirus, so what? When you realize it's in US, oh shit. When you see it's in your state, oh my god. When it is in your city. Me trying to relax a bit. Coronavirus. Literally everyone. The whole internet is advising me for washing my hands almost 30 times a day. Everyone making jokes about Corona. Indonesia's Dr. Corona. Am I a joke to you? Why the hell his name is Corona? Flexing in March 2019. Flexing in March 2020. Obviously, guys, in March 2020, the thing right there in his hands are more expensive. Coughing in 2019. Nothing, he just coughed. Coughing in 2020. I became death. The destroyer of the worlds. Toilet paper doesn't kill coronavirus. People who panic and bought toilet papers. When you normally spend all your time at home anyway, but now the government says you have to do this. Well, now I am not doing it. I want to move outside. The government is against my precious freedom. Planning a business trip in 2020 be like. Don't call yourself a gamer if you have not played this game. This is one of the best games, one of the most hard-hit games ever. So guys, as you can see, almost every country have coronavirus in exception of Greenland because they have closed all the exit ports. Greenland is really smart. I have had enough of this dude, coronavirus. In case if you guys are planning a Madagascar trip, then I'm sorry, it's not possible now. Greenland and Madagascar both closed their ports. Seriously guys, the aim of my life is to meet that person who ate the bat and started this thing. Who the hell ate bats? End of 2019. Society beginning 2020. Coronavirus. Coronavirus conference gets cancelled because of coronavirus. Task failed successfully. Stocking up on toilet paper and water. No, small brain. Washing your hands more often. No, still small brain. Wearing masks and avoiding unnecessary interaction. Okay, fine. Intentionally sustaining life-threatening injuries to be hospitalized before coronavirus hits you legally. Now that's some brick brain material. Killing yourself so you can never get sick again. Oh my god. This man is a genius. Mistakes make you stronger. The guy who ate the bat. Yeah, it's my time. You can't defeat me. People lacking common sense, I know, but he can. Toilet papers. We are very worried about the public health and then we made them pay for coronavirus test. Yeah, that's how everybody earns money. Chinese man eating a raw bat. Oh, how careless he is. Me not being able to buy toilet paper. Wow. I am still cool, guys. Me, dry coughs. Me, I am okay. Me, fever-like symptoms. Me, I am still okay. Me, has a sudden urge to travel the most populated areas. Something is wrong. I can feel it. When people get coronavirus, I take my head out to the airport. Guys, you know what? These traveling coronavirus memes are spreading faster than coronavirus itself. China isolates the infected citizen. Greece separates ill people. North Korea. So anyway, I started blasting. Guys, obviously we all know whatever China is doing is wrong, whatever Greece is doing is wrong. North Korea is doing the right thing. That's how justice is served. Toilet paper companies releasing coronavirus to improve sales. Stonks! I'm literally mentioning this for the third time, guys. I should start a medical YouTube channel. I don't know why, but I feel like if someone will start a YouTube channel, medical YouTube channel, then Stonks, he will be famous. Influenza kills 500,000 globally every year. Coronavirus with 4,000 kills. Look at me. I am captain now. The teacher lecturing through Discord because of coronavirus. I don't know why the colleges and schools are still open. It really frustrates me from within. Literally every country is providing holidays just to stop coronavirus, and there is my country. They are not even providing me holidays. What's happening here? Somewhere near Wuhan province, China, 2020. You should have gone for the head. Wait a second, you mean coronavirus is going to eliminate half of the humanity? Me and the boys on our cheap trip around the world. Well, I'm not about to travel anywhere nowadays, but whenever I would feel an urge to travel around the world, oh my god, my mind would confuse that with coronavirus, I guess. Mom, can we have corona? No, we have corona at home. Corona at home virus. Guys, if alcohols can kill coronavirus, then we definitely should try corona beer in order to get rid of coronavirus. So corona beer will kill coronavirus. Millennials looking at a shooting star. I wish I was affected by coronavirus. Only boomers, lol. When you got the last bottle of hand sanitizers, remember, don't touch your face. Yes, guys, look at that guy. That guy is not touching his face. How Americans want the government to respond to coronavirus. How the US is actually responding to coronavirus. Me, waiting for government to take action. Government, not this time. High temperature kills corona. Corona reducing China's CO2 emissions by 1/4. Corona, climate change. Bite my nails less because of pandemic. Bite my nails more because of pandemic anxiety. Coronavirus, me who just ate my 6th wheat argument. We should just kill all the people that doesn't have coronavirus to stop it from spreading. Modern problems require modern solution. That's what I was talking about. What is the need of discussing this much over coronavirus? Just kill all the people who have coronavirus. What the hell is this? Keep calm. There are enough masks for everyone. Thank you, girls. Wow. Thank you, girls. Thank you for supporting humanity. Bring it, coronavirus. I'm ready with my things. Wow, he literally stored toilet papers in the refrigerator, which he should be. Come on. Don't be narrow-minded. Don't be a boomer. Let's fight against coronavirus. Shopping normally. No. Buying 200 rolls of toilet papers. 200! You want to protect the whole society or yourself only? Wow. Nobody. Coughing people with masks. WHO, the government. Please don't travel if you don't have to. This ad. Fly to Manchester. Coronavirus attacked me. I would visit Manchester for sure. Thank you. When you finally reach Antarctica, which has no case of coronavirus, but then you start showing symptoms. I have won. But at what cost? When you save a guy using CPR. Oh wow. And he wakes up and saying Chinese. Oh god. Confirmed cases of coronavirus in Italy. 15,115. Death is 1,016. Italy, we are in the end game now. Wait a second. Does that mean we have only one chance over 14 million possibilities? I don't know. People with unwiped buds. People who bought all the toilet papers. Wow. Remember guys, we saw the meme where that guy bought 200 toilet papers. I think that's right here. Best time to travel. When you have positive for coronavirus. Oh, USA. Hey guys, I think I might be coming down with something too. South Korea, China, Italy. Are you kidding me, dude? Like I think you are gonna die. Turks have the right attitude. It's a very big blessing. Welcome. What? Seriously? I hope it takes me first. Can you drop me at home? Sure. But I have corona. It can affect you. So what? Hop in, brother. Don't make me fuck your corona. I can't say don't touch me just because you are sick. That's rude. Wow. Thank you, Turkish people. You guys are amazing. You guys give importance to corona. We should, form an organization related to, virus rights, which can stand for virus rights. Wore a mask. Locked down a city. Cancelled sporting events. Root of the problem was a bat. Visionary. The Dark Knight Rises literally predicted it, way earlier. And the boys reunited after all of our college got cancelled. Where do you guys live? I mean, my country is not shutting down colleges. Every country, shut everything down. USA and UK. When should I start to worry? Exactly what's happening in my country right now. Some of you may die. but it's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. Ghosts that died in 1920 from the Spanish flu, looking down on 2020. It's rewind time. Ah, that's hot. 1720 plague, 1820 cholera outbreak, 1920 Spanish flu, 2020 Chinese coronavirus. What's happening? Every 100 years there's something. Literally, it's like rewind time. They all are coming back together. Social anxiety. No, I don't have any type of social anxiety. Social distancing. That's what I have, social distancing. Coronavirus in reality, coronavirus in the media. All credit goes to our controversy creators out there, CNN and all. Normal people. So there is a new disease that can kill us. Reddit. Yeah, coronavirus. Guys, that's the thing. We Reddit users are amazing. Me laughing at coronavirus memes on Reddit. Coronavirus appears in a city near yours. People with coronavirus. Airline companies. I can show you the world. Coronavirus is taking over the world. I live in Greenland, the safest country ever. Guys, I don't know how we will do this, but we have to attack Greenland as soon as possible. We have to do something. We cannot leave a country like this. Corona. Guys, actually, I think this is a beer company. Yes, this is a beer company which makes beer. Corona. Everyone, stop fucking asking us about the virus. Oh God, I just said the F word. I think the YouTube harassment policy is on its way. My friends are on vacation in Italy. Panic shit. I live in Belgium. Oh, that's nice. Coronavirus in Italy. Coronavirus conference gets cancelled because of coronavirus. Wow. A deadly virus spreading in the world, threatening millions of lives. People in Greenland. The fuck they are doing over here? I think Greenland is the only country where, people are just enjoying to memes without being worried about these kind of health related issues. The total infection count is 69,000. Wow, 69. Me being the 69,420th coronavirus patient. Nice. Awesome, dude. You created history. Now that's some real achievement, not like the fake achievements these days. People with normal diseases, I should stay home. People with coronavirus, I travel the world and 7 seas. Traveling is my passion. I don't know why people are still traveling to different parts of the world. Just stay at your place, don't spread this virus. Some random guys, coughs. Some random guy. Face mask companies. Stonks. Seriously guys, I have mentioned this in my previous videos and I am still mentioning it. What the hell am I doing? I should definitely open a medical YouTube channel. Seriously guys, if you want to be famous, just open a medical YouTube channel and see your channel grow. Guys literally want only one thing and it's fucking disgusting. Oh, what's that? Spontaneous infection of Greenland. Yes, that's what I was talking about. We need to get after Greenland. We cannot leave a country like that. Hey Greenland, we are coming. Italy, European Union. Good luck, buddy. 31st January. Italy bans travelers from Taiwan. 25 February. World starts banning a traveler from Italy. Getting coronavirus. Mom, video games are the real threat to this world. Me and the boys in 2019. Me and the boys in 2020. The coronavirus spreading to United States. Me laughing at coronavirus memes. Same thing happening all across the world. We are just laughing at the memes and outside our house. But guys, as you know, we are gamers and memers. So obviously coronavirus will not affect us. We are professional introverts. Normal people with fever. Oh, I should rest. Rest. People with coronavirus, I will travel the land. Corona Beer changed their name to avoid association with the coronavirus. What? Come on guys, this was a nice opportunity to create controversy. You guys missed that. What's going on in Italy? We are testing everyone with flu symptoms and lots of us have the coronavirus. Canada, OMG, we already have 13. USA, you guys have tests? Why USA? You don't want to save your people? Come on, start these tests. Getting affected? Just say no. Coronavirus can't legally enter your body without your consent. The thing is, guys, I don't know why, but it sounds like an ad, a government ad. Getting infected? No. Chinese woman scares away rapist by pretending to cough and telling him she's from Wuhan. Modern problems require modern solution. I think this is a great idea. I mean, if your teacher is about to beat you, your parents are about to beat you, if somebody attacked you, just and see the world running away from you. That's fear. Coronavirus is cured. The subreddit. Guys, I must say, we are the most baddest generation ever. And people say that we are careless. Of course, we are not careless. It's kind of like we are just, we are tension-free generation. Yes, healthcare. Be like, do I have coronavirus? No, but you have to pay us $1,500. Gets flu symptoms. Normal people. Guess I will stay home. Chinese people. Let's travel the world. Let's travel the world. Amazon employee in Seattle confirmed to have coronavirus. So the rest of us could get it by Thursday if we order within the next 2 hours. I don't care who you are. That's some pride humor. The extinction of humanity. Millions of gamers who have not left their rooms for years. Coronavirus, right? Because that's what heroes do. We are modern days hero. We don't fight. We just minimize the fight. We are, what you can say that, non-violent people. We promote violence in video games and we stay silent out there. The cost to get tested for coronavirus with no insurance being $3,200 is the most USA thing that could ever USA. The smart thing to do would be to cough on a rich person and let them get tested. American problems requires American solutions. Health tip. Spread chili pepper on your hands. It does nothing against viruses, but you learn really fast not to touch your face. Italy switches side, joins coronavirus. Millenniums. I wish I was dead. There are too many people. We need a plague. Coronavirus. Why are you running? Come on, stay with me. Why the hell? You were the one who demanded for me. Why the hell you are running? A photographer took pictures of people before and after, telling them they had coronavirus. Before, after. Before, after. This is the most accurate meme ever. Seriously, everyone who has coronavirus just travels to the world in order to spread it. 1,024 dead Chinese people. 1 corona bite. Me trying not to get infected. Me after washing my hands for 20 seconds, 57 times in one day. Literally everyone is promoting hand washing. Yes, coronavirus is that weak. Me trying to hold my cough in public so I won't be perceived as having coronavirus. Someone sneezes in 2019. Bless you. Someone sneezes in 2020. Kill them. Exams. Coronavirus. Students. Thank you, coronavirus. A lot of schools declared holiday just to clean their offices, and also, yes, coronavirus is doing some great job out there. When you are a guard in North Korea and your friend starts coughing. Sorry, friend, but the duty is first. Breaking news. The coronavirus is spreading rapidly. Me installs Norton antivirus software. Coronavirus. Nah. Double coronavirus mask. Guys, let us not criticize these things. I mean, it's a really good idea. Let us steal We have really talented people across the world who can figure out everything. Finding a cure for coronavirus. Nah, not a great idea. Putting a ban on it to get rid of it. China. Exactly, this is what I was talking about. Tips on how to turn your bras into face masks to protect against coronavirus. Is 100,000 a lot? Depends on the context. You know, YouTubers with 100,000 subscribers? No. Cases of coronavirus? Yes. Oh shit. 100,000 subscribers are less. I have only 500. Come on guys, smash that subscribe button and help me. Oh god, 100,000 is less. Hand sanitizer companies right now. Guys, what the hell am I doing? I mean, I should just open a medical YouTube channel right now. Coronavirus is my new crush. Now I will never get it. I am gonna do what's called a pro gamer's move. This meme made you happy and same both at the same time. Normal people with fever. Oh, we should rest. People with coronavirus, hey, we should travel the world. It's ironic how people got coronavirus and just after a few days travel to different parts of the world just to spread it. Symptoms of coronavirus includes chest pain, yes of course, difficulty in breathing, fever and a sudden urge to travel the world. Wow. Why the hell you guys are traveling to different parts of the world? If you have coronavirus, let's sleep in your bed. Why the hell you are traveling to the world? Oh my god. Yes, I know. You guys don't know if you have a coronavirus or not. Come on. People with regular flu. Oh, what happened to him? I hope he's fine. People with coronavirus. Road trip. When you wanna promote your game, so you release a real life virus. Stonks. Humans. Coronavirus. Corona beer. People under drinking age. Underage drinkers. Oh my god. So corona beer can kill coronavirus. What the hell is underage drinkers? I mean, there is no age limit for drinking. You can drink whenever you want. Don't listen to them. One child policy fails to avoid overpopulation in China. Coronavirus. Fine. I will do it myself. Me. Here somebody starts calling my Chinese friend. I am just a little sick. Just a little. Coronavirus exists. The owner of Corona Beer Company. Why? Me and the boys in 2019. Yeah, me and the boys in 2020. Oh, wait a second. Where's the fourth guy? Oh shit, man, we will miss you. Coronavirus spreads through human contact. Introverts. Health. When you see a Chinese dude sneezing at the airport, run guys, run. Save your life. 56,000 people die each year from flu. So, what should I do? 41 people died from coronavirus. What? Ordering a breathe mask to protect you from coronavirus. Yes, it was made in China. Whoa. When coronavirus is spreading to France and you remember both France and China had airports in the game Plague Hide and Seek, just like the simulations. We are ready to face every disaster, let it be anything. This coronavirus is nothing in front of us, nana. When Mr. Jinping sneezes during the meeting, every other president... Sorry Mr. Jinping, but we cannot have you in United Nations meeting anymore. Just go and cure your coronavirus first. Coronavirus memes are spreading faster than coronavirus. Facts! Buying my 60th bundle of toilet paper. They called me madman. Don't worry Thanos, they are calling you now madman. But after few years, you will be hero. So guys, go and buy toilet papers in order to be a hero. Coronavirus can be killed with alcohol. Me after drinking 1 bottle of vodka. Health! Everyone criticized us. For everyone, just forced us to not drink these kind of things. But now it's our time. It's our time to rock the world and teach everybody. Yeah, let's drink. We should drink. The hospital, airport, coronavirus. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. I will always give my 100% in order to make you guys smile. Just hit that subscribe button and I hope you have a nice day. Thank you.